Hi, I'm Dr. Capra and this is Dr. Levin, and we're here to tell you about our experience with CyberDental.
We have had nothing but positive experiences with CyberDental. They have been with us from day one and came highly recommended to us from all of our colleagues. CyberDental is very knowledgeable when it comes to anything related to IT. They have installed our security cameras, our printers, our computers, and all of their equipment is very sleek.
Yeah, it looks very nice, very clean, very put together. They're very responsive. Really, there's no complaints whatsoever. They're amazing. If we had to choose to work with them again, we would do it in a heartbeat.